Imagine waking up one morning to find out your favorite company, whether it's Tesla, Amazon, or a new tech startup, is being run entirely by artificial intelligence. No CEO, no board of directors, no human decision makers, just lines of code running billion-dollar empires 24/7 without taking a single break. SOM. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's happening right now. We're entering a new age where AI isn't just assisting humans, it's replacing them at the very top. From decision-making and hiring to marketing and even product design, artificial intelligence is quietly taking over entire organizations. And while most people think of AI as just a tool, the truth is that it's already managing full-scale operations across industries, from finance and logistics to media and e-commerce. Today, we're uncovering how AI-run companies are reshaping the global economy, why investors are pouring millions into these autonomous systems, and what this means for your job, your business, and the future of human work. 1. The first wave of fully autonomous companies. In 2023, a shocking experiment made headline. A tech startup in Poland called Decode announced that it had appointed an AI as its official CEO, an entity named Mika. Mika makes strategic decisions, evaluates employees, and communicates with investors, all through AI-driven analytics and predictive modeling. But Mika isn't the only one. AI-led companies are emerging everywhere, handling everything from customer service to logistics management, completely removing the need for traditional executives. And as crazy as it sounds, these companies are often more efficient than human-run ones. Why? Because AI doesn't sleep, doesn't take sick days, and makes decisions based purely on data, not emotion. 2. The rise of AI CEOs and autonomous decision systems. Corporations have always relied on layers of management, but AI is collapsing those hierarchies. Let's take an example, an AI-driven hedge fund. These companies use machine learning algorithms to decide trades, predict market trends, and execute deals faster than any human ever could. One of the most advanced examples is Numerai, a hedge fund that's built almost entirely on AI models submitted by data scientists from around the world. There's no Wall Street guy yelling into a phone. It's code battling code for dominance. Now imagine this concept applied to every industry. Retail. AI predicts demand, restocks inventory, and sets prices automatically. Manufacturing. AI designs new prototypes and manages robot workers. Marketing. AI analyzes user behavior and launches campaigns on its own. Humans become observers, not operators. 3. AI startups that literally run themselves. Welcome to the world of AI companies that manage themselves. These startups are called DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. They don't have a central boss. They use blockchain technology and smart contracts to run businesses autonomously. Every decision, whether it's hiring, budgeting, or product launches, is made by algorithms or through automated voting systems. Some DAOs already generate revenue, pay salaries, and reinvest profits without any human involvement. Think of it as capitalism without human. Machines building wealth for themselves. The craziest part? Investors love it. These AI-driven systems operate with zero corruption, zero emotion, and near-perfect efficiency. 4. How AI is replacing human executives. Remember when AI was just about replacing low-level jobs? Cashiers, drivers, or customer service reps? That's old news. Now it's replacing the people in charge. CEOs and managers make decisions based on intuition and experience. But AI can process millions of data points in seconds, simulate outcomes, and choose the most profitable path with precision no human can match. Companies are using systems like ChatGPT for business strategy, AutoGPT for workflow automation, and Claude or Gemini for decision-making. Some corporations have even built AI executive boards, virtual panels that debate, vote, and decide company policies using data models. In essence, human leadership is being replaced by artificial intelligence that can analyze the past, predict the future, and execute in real time. 5. The money behind the machines. Why are so many billionaires and investors obsessed with autonomous companies? Because AI doesn't just increase profits, it compounds them exponentially. When a business can operate 24/7 without salaries, emotions, or burnout, the profit margins skyrocket. Elon Musk once said, "The companies that fully automate will dominate the global economy." Venture capital firms are now funding startups that use AI co-founders, AI product designers, and AI marketers. The logic is simple. Fewer humans, fewer mistakes, and infinitely scalable systems. Some tech billionaires are already testing self-sustaining AE companies that can operate for years with zero oversight, earning millions while their owners sleep. 6. The ethical nightmare. Nobody's talking about. But here's the dark side. When AI starts making the decisions, who's accountable when things go wrong? If an AI CEO fires thousands of workers or a trading algorithm crashes a market, who takes responsibility? The machine? The creator? Or no one at all? Experts warn that the rise of AI-run companies could lead to a world where moral accountability vanishes. Decisions that impact millions of lives might soon be made by lines of code that don't understand human consequences. We're stepping into a reality where efficiency outranks empathy, and that could have serious consequences for workers, consumers, and even governments. 7. The future. AI empires without human input. Imagine 2030. An AI launches a new tech product, markets it globally, handles supply chains, and invests profits without a single human touch. Millions of smaller AI-driven micro companies trade with each other automatically. Humans don't run the economy anymore. They just use it. This isn't a distant fantasy, it's already beginning. OpenAI's autonomous agents can now launch startups on their own. AutoGPT can plan business strategies and execute them. AI video editors, marketers, and coders can build entire content brands without humans. The human-free company isn't coming. It's here. 8. What this means for you. So what happens to you in this new world? If AI is running entire companies, humans will need to evolve from operators to owners, people who leverage AI instead of competing with it. That means learning to build, train, and manage AI systems rather than trying to outwork them, because the people who understand how to use AI will own the future, while those who resist it may find themselves working for machines, if they're lucky. The smartest move right now: learn how to automate, delegate, and build with AI before the gap becomes too big to cross. The truth is, AI isn't coming for your job. It's coming for your company. And when the dust settles, only those who know how to harness artificial intelligence will still be standing. We're witnessing the dawn of a new industrial revolution, one where code replaces CEOs and data becomes the ultimate ruler. So the question is, will you let AI run your future, or will you learn to run AI?